Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video, guys, we're gonna be talking about the TeePublic because I recently got one of the question about TeePublic that getting account banned and what you could do differently to open up a new account on TeePublic and not getting your second account banned as well as it happened to your first one. So I'm gonna be sharing some things with you guys because it happened with me as well. So I'm going to be sharing my own experience and also going to share some of the tips that can help you prevent your second account in getting banned and you can start uploading the designs on your new shop. So let's dive in. Before go park, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you do so, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new video you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources. The link is in description box below. You can simply click on that link and you can download it. You can also subscribe to our email newsletter. It's 100% free. Right now it's on waitlist. Once we get started with that, we will going to send you each and every week regarding exclusive content making money online. The link is in description box below. Guys, today is really no sun. So you could see I am filming this video from the artificial light because there is no really sun and it's kind of like going towards a winter season because there is snowfall happening. And so it's pretty dark outside, there is no sun, so I have to use the artificial lights. I'm using the artificial light to film this video. Let's talk about the TeePublic. First of all, I'm going to be talking about, guys, my own experience with the TeePublic regarding the account ban, and I'm going to be sharing some of the tips with you guys if it happened with you as well, and also be answering that question that person asked me. So let's share my experience with you guys. My own TeePublic account having been suspended, it happened with me, with my friend. So let me talk about that. So a few months back, I was having my own TeePublic shop and I was talking to my friend regarding the TeePublic shop, and he was also like so much interested in that. He's also an artist, so he also want to get started with the TeePublic and all those kind of stuff, and he asked me to share the link of the TeePublic. So I used the shareable link on the TeePublic and refer a friend by the TeePublic friend, and then he started open his TeePublic account. He opened the TeePublic account, he added all, he done all the shop customization option, and on the day one itself, he uploaded I think 2 or 3 designs in his shop. And the moment he did that, after a few hours, he received an email from the TeePublic stating that his account has been suspended and banned. And now I was like, what the heck is this? Why is this happened to me? I just uploaded to design and why is that happened to me? The reason being, I think the reason being, I'm not straightforward clear about this particular thing, but the reason being behind that, it was that it has some kind of system similar to the Redbubble where you are starting with a new account, and if they see that there is a activity in your new account, then you might see your account getting suspended, because I think they have some kind of like a internal AI system or kind of like a robotic system. I don't know much about it, guys, and I'm not sure if that really exists, but I've seen it happen with other people as well, like who open the shop on a day 1 or maybe in a day 2 or day 3 or maybe on day 1 itself. If they are uploading 2 or multiple different designs, they are getting their account banned. So it's not your fault, it's just that your account come into that spam filter, and that's why it got banned, because they are having their filters on their platform to help in getting predicted the spammers and all those kind of stuff. But what you could do over here, guys, if you have seen that you are opening up a new account, don't always go with opening up a new account and started showing the activity on the day 1 itself. Like today you're opening up an account, just open up an account, add your details, that's all. Go back to second day, or maybe go back to 2 or 3 days later on down the road and upload only a single design. Then after 1 week or so, and then upload further more designs, because I don't want to see that you have opened just a new account and there is a huge activity happening in your account, that you're uploading designs and doing all those kind of stuff, because they might see that some robot has opened an account and they're uploading multiple different designs and kind of like a spamming kind of stuff. So you might get caught up in that account suspension. So don't do that. You open up a new TeePublic account and you uploaded few designs, maybe on a day 1, maybe on a day 2 or 3, and you seeing that your account has been banned or suspended. So what you could do now? Now, either way, you can send an email to the TeePublic. They're going to reply you with an email that if you see that this suspension has happened and it's not right, and do you want to claim that, then they might ask you the original files of the design that you have. I think they send the email with that thing that they want the original files of that particular design files that you have uploaded in your shop. And if they see that you have sent them an original files via that email and they verify you that you are uploading your own original designs and they are kind of like verifying you, then they are unbanned your account, unbind your old account which one has been banned. So they're gonna do that if they see that you are uploading your own design itself, spammer, or you are not just taking someone else's design and copying them on TeePublic. So one thing you could do, you could send them an email talking about the suspension and saying that this happened with you and you didn't done anything wrong, and you have the original files of your designs and you can submit them, they can verify you, and you can go that route. Another route, what you could do, maybe give it a 1 or 2 days or maybe a week or so, then you can open up a new TeePublic account. Now, you don't need to open up the new TeePublic account in the same device which you have used for your old shop that was being banned or some other device. To open up a new TeePublic account, don't use guys in which your previous account was banned, because they might see that okay, this is the same device, so they are opening up a new TeePublic account after getting suspended with that, so they might ban your new TeePublic account as well. So if you are using your laptop or your computer for that old TeePublic shop, then you can use your mobile phone, maybe an iPad or maybe a tablet to open up a new TeePublic account. If you don't have any new device, then you could use your friend's device, maybe their own mobile or their desktop, or maybe you can use your family members or anyone in your relatives and your colleagues who can help you in opening up a new TeePublic account from their device. You can go forward and you can open up a new TeePublic shop and account from their device which haven't been used previously. And then after opening up a new TeePublic account, guys, please don't upload the design on the day one itself on a TeePublic. Don't do the same mistake again. Give it at least a week and come back after a week or so and then start uploading the design. Don't, again, the suspension will going to happen. So give at least a week or so and then upload the design, and then upload 1 or 2 design, then give to at least 2 days of break and then upload future designs, because this giving a break will really going to help you avoid getting your account suspended. Because that thing was happened with my friend and his first account was suspended, was banned, was not more there, was not there. Then I used my own device for opening up his new account, and after opening up that new account, I didn't upload any single design, or he didn't upload any single design in his own account for a week. He gave it a 1 week straight break, and then after 1 week he just logged into his account and he uploaded the new design, 1 or 2, that's all. So you need to be really slow when your account is new. This is the one thing you can take. Another thing I want to talk about is that this was also the part of the question, that can I use the same PayPal email address which was used in the previous account which was suspended or banned? Yes, you can use the same email address or same PayPal email address. There is nothing wrong with that, but make sure you use a separate device which you haven't used it previously, and you are giving at least a 1 week break before you are actually uploading any single design or in your new TeePublic account or shop. As well, there is no issue with that. I didn't find any issue with that so far. But if you have your own experience regarding the TeePublic account getting suspended and then you open up a new TeePublic account, and what happened with you, like, can you share your own experience in the comment section below, guys? I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. But this is the thing I would highly recommend you to use a separate device and then give it at least a 1 week break by opening up a new account and then only upload the new designs. That hopefully I have answered this particular question about the TeePublic account suspension, and hopefully if any of you guys are having the similar question, it will be answered for you as well. Do let me know if you have any further doubt or query, or if you want to share your own experience. I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.